The exhibition is organized around two levels, an attempt to offer an archaeology of the work of Adrian Paci. On the one side, we have a kind of more domestic and more home relation to Albania. It is an indirect view that he catch and reproduce in his works. In contrast with this, on the opposite wall, you have works that are related to exile and to this need to escape a situation. Albanians gather in public space and reconstruct a little bit this social moment together.
I started as a painter, my journey into the art, until 1997 when I did my very first video art piece. And actually it was not meant to be a video art piece, it was meant to be just a shooting of my daughter telling some stories. And in that moment I realized that I couldn't make a drawing of this, I couldn't make a painting. I needed another tool. And the tool came also together with a different attitude. So instead of the attitude of the creator, of the one who is creating the image, it was the attitude of a witness. From that moment I started to work with video.
The other room offers other references, one related to the teacher of Adrian Paci, Edi Hila, who has been his teacher in Tirana. They share this time of control, this time of repression. The difference with Adrian, who does this indirect selection, he chooses his subject directly. So this is also why Ivana Kublinka is here present with a small portrait. I wanted to bring like a kind of historical perspective of the school of realism.
The presence of my father in this show is important for me because I was grown up looking at his drawings. He passed away very young when I was very little. So I spent my life as a young boy trying to look for my father through his drawings and through his books. I'm happy that the curator noticed this importance of this reference in my work and still in the present work. With the video, The Wanderers, which is one of my latest videos, this presence of the walkers, of the wanderers, of people going around in these landscapes, I think they quite connect with some drawings and some figures that are present in my father's work.
Following this, we go to one of the masterpieces of Adrian Paci, which is in the collection of the Maxi in Rome, which is the Cappella Pasolini. He selected some images of the films and bring back these images into paintings. So we know that Pasolini, his filmography is full of references on mannerism, and that's what Adrian tried to highlight. And I brought a new female gaze into display of layers of references, which is the set photography made by Deborah Imogen-Beer, who follow Pasolini on all his last films, trying to catch also this painting reference, mannerism reference in the photography. So it is an offer to enlarge the vision on the work of Adrian Paci through the lens of other artists.
Painting has been always a practice of mine. It was developed together with the video. It was developed always in relation with the video, but not with my videos. I never used my videos as a source for my painting, but I always used moving images to create my paintings. So my paintings are always moments of dialogue with the gaze of somebody else. So I think in this exhibition, the presence of the painting is also to pay tribute to this dialogue, to this continuous dialogue that has been between my previous practice somehow, but also the practice of the video, which is still present in my work. The new video, The Bell Tolls Up in the Waves. It's my very first video that I'm not using the human figure. And it's about the story of a bell. It's a legend that in Molise, in this region of Italy, that in the 15th century, when Ottomans attacked the city, they stolen a bell that was there and wanted to bring it to Istanbul. But according to this legend, the bell didn't want to leave the place, so it fell down in the sea. And the fishermen, they say that when the sea is very rough, they kind of they listen to the bell. I thought that it could be a good idea to take a bell and place it on a platform on the sea and leave the waves of the sea ring the bell. This bell out of its place, ringing in the middle of the sea, sometimes in a very soft way, sometimes in a very aggressive way, according to the waves, can bring you to different suggestions and memories and fantasies.